G'day Internet, CJ here. It's a short, no more motion inducing shaky cam. I got myself a GoPro Hero 10. So we're coming to you in glorious 5K or 4K at least in future videos. Also got myself a new graphics card. ASUS Dual AMD Radeon RX6750XT. I really like the minimal non-gamer bro style of the packaging. It's a bit more just sensible, and you know, it's just the card, right? Some features on the back, boom, there we go. Here it is itself. Am I going to do the peel, guys? Super satisfying peel. Oh, hang on, we're sticking a bit. Come on, yep, go. Go. Oh, nearly there. Oh, come on, no, not at the last second. Come on, keep it going. Oh, no, come on, yeah. Shiny. I really like the style of this card. It's got a big chunky cooler on it. It's a 5 heat pipe, I think, or 6 heat pipe. Anyway, here we go. Looking forward to seeing what it can do. Cheers.